Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. Today is lesson number 149. All right, boys and girls, let's get ready to review our calendar. Boys and girls, what month is it? We are in the month of April. Boys and girls, how many days are in this month? If you take a look at the calendar, the 1st of April started on a Wednesday, and the last day of April falls on a Thursday, which is 30. There are 30 days in the month of April. All right, boys and girls, what is the date of the first Tuesday in this month? The first Tuesday. So I'm going to go and find Tuesday and look for the first date that appeared on Tuesday. There's nothing here, but the first Tuesday is the 7th, April 7th. All right, boys and girls, what day does the 25th fall on? The 25th. Now you need to look for the 25th of April. The 25th of April is right here. To find out what day it falls on, we need to go all the way up here, and the 25th of April falls on a Saturday. All right, boys and girls, notice there were 2 students in our class that had a birthday this month. We had Olivia, who had a birthday on the 12th. So happy belated birthday, Olivia. And we also had Dennis, who had a birthday on the 17th. Happy belated birthday to you too, Dennis. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reviewing our calendar with me today. Boys and girls, we're going to review our greatest number and least number. We're going to circle the greatest number and underline the least number. Let's take a look at my board. We have a set of 3 numbers. We have 134, 143, and 144. We're going to be comparing our numbers to see which one is greater. Let's take a look at our number. We're going to compare place value to place value. We're going to start in the hundreds place. Here, we have a 1 here, a 1 in the hundreds place here, and a 1 in a hundreds place. So now, since all 3 numbers have a 1 in the hundreds place, we need to move on to the next place value, which is the tens place. We have a 3 here, a 4 here, and a 4 here. Now, which one is greater, 3 or 4? 4 is greater. Since we have a 4 here and a 4 here, we need to take a look at our last digit, which is the 3 in the ones place. So here's a 3 and here's a 4. Which one is greater, 3 or 4? All right, boys and girls, 4 is greater than 3. So therefore, 144 is greater than 143. So I'm going to go ahead and circle it, okay? Since this is the second greatest, I'm going to leave it alone. So we're going to underline the least. So 134 is the least number. All right, let's take a look at our next row. We have 152, 155, and 125. Once again, we're going to compare our numbers. We're going to start with the greatest value number, which is the hundreds place. So here, 152 begins with have a 1 in the hundreds place. 155 has a 1 in the hundreds place, and 125 has a 1 in the hundreds place. If you take a look at the tens place, we have a 5 here, a 5 here, and a 2 here. Which one is greater, 2 or 5? 5 is greater than 2. However, 152 have a 5 in the tens place, and 155 has a 5 in the tens place. So we need to compare the ones place value. Here we have a 2 in a ones place and a 5 in a ones place. Which one is greater, 2 or 5? 5 is greater than 2. So therefore, 155 is greater than 152. Since 152, we're going to compare 152 and 125. We already determined that 152 is greater than 125. So we need to underline the least number. And that least number here is 125. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and do the last row. Which one is greater? Circle the greatest number and underline the least number. You have 172, 122, and 127. All right, boys and girls, 172 is the greatest number. You should have circled that one. And 122 is the least number. We underline it. All right, boys and girls, we're going to review some money. Listen carefully. If I have 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 5 pennies, how many cents do I have? 40 cents. If I have 2 quarters and 2 dimes, how many cents do I have? 70 cents. If I have 6 nickels and 2 pennies, how many cents do I have? 32 cents. All right, boys and girls, thank you for participating in math class today. Have a wonderful day.